Hey there, it's Candis, North Houston, Texas Realtor with Real Broker. I'm out at the Woodlands Hills, a really beautiful area with, of course, splash pad. It's all nature inspired, nestled among trees, just like everything here in the Woodlands Hills. It has a slide, a beautiful wind chime, a pavilion up top, lots of things to play on. So I'm just gonna go around, let the kids play, and I'll take some video and show y'all around. I hope you enjoyed that look around the splash pad here at Founders Park in the Woodlands Hills. I get calls and texts and emails every day from people that are looking to relocate to the North Houston area. I'd love to be able to help you too. I make these videos for you. Please reach out. My phone number is in the description, or it might be here on the screen somewhere. Click on my channel and look at all my other videos too. I think they're really going to help you if you're looking to relocate to this area. All right, y'all, I think that's it for now. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.